Keto diet for weight loss. To prepare this breakfast meal, all you need to do: fry the eggs in half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is great cooking oil option if you are following a keto diet, as it is loaded with medium-chain triglycerides. The ketogenic diet is a popular diet for weight loss. It is a high-fat, moderate protein and low-carb which has been known to give results for quick weight loss. With the reduction of carbs and addition of healthy fats in diet, the body enters the metabolic state known as ketosis. Once your body is in a state of ketosis for a few days, the body and brain becomes efficient at burning fat and ketones for fuel, instead of carbs. Some of the common keto diet staples are meat, fish, butter, eggs, cheese, healthy oils, nuts, avocados, seeds and low-carb veggies. Quick and easy keto breakfast. You can have ketogenic diets can help you lose fat and preserve muscle mass. When followed with discipline, consistency and the proper form, the diet plan can offer a variety of health benefits. All you need is 2 eggs, half an avocado, some cheese, lettuce and cucumber. Eggs are an ideal keto-friendly food, which is rich in protein and good fats. Avocado is a rich source of heart-healthy fats. Increasing intake of your fats is an essential part of following the keto diet. Cheese is a great source of calcium, fat and protein. Lettuce and cucumber are low-carb hydrating veggies, making it an ideal food for keto diet. To prepare this breakfast meal, all you need to do: fry the eggs in half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is great cooking oil option if you are following a keto diet, as it is loaded with medium-chain triglycerides. Ghee and butter are other favorable cooking oil options you can bank on. The avocado can be topped with salt, pepper, crushed red pepper and 2 tablespoons shredded cheddar cheese or Mexican cheese. The cheese can be of your choice. Prefer the non-processed option. This breakfast meal can help you keep full for longer and is utterly nutritious. It can fill you up and you may not feel the need to snack for a long time. This meal will provide you with around 420 calories, 3 grams carbs, 17 gm proteins and 37 gm fats. Try it today.